Here's our rat. This is the ventral side, and here is the dorsal side. Make sure you look at all the different parts. This is obviously a male. You can see the penis and the scrotum. Then we're going to massage the skin on the ventral side and make a mohawk. This will help us cut it. Now take the scissors and you're going to cut right up that ridge, very shallow. That's good. Go. Then take the blood probe and just separate the skin from the muscle tissue. And that way the skin will peel back. So we'll do those side slits to open up the flaps better. And then when we get that, one under the arms. Then take the scissors and very gently and shallow cut down the midline through the muscle. So just get it started, and it may leak. Now take your tweezers, forceps, just your forceps and your scissors if you can pick it up. Lift it up so you don't get stuff on the inside. And then cut, that's okay. Cut through the muscle to make flaps. Actually 2 flaps, one under the arms and one over the arms, and then down on top of the legs. We've cut through the ribs, so that's where she is now. It's a little bit hard, but you can still do it with the scissors. There. Then we're going to pick it up and carry it back to the sink and dump out all the fluid and very gently rinse it. Have a partner hold it, the tray. We're going to open it just a little bit better so that we can pin the muscle and the skin back. Since the chest cavity won't stay open very well, we're going to just cut the ribs off, but make sure you don't cut anything else. At the top, here's the trachea. Behind, and you can see the ridges. Behind it is the esophagus. You may have to look, but it's soft. Then the heart. There. Lungs. Okay, those are the lobes of the lungs. As we go down, we go to the diaphragm. It's a thin muscle. Then we go down to the liver, and you can see the lobes of the liver. And if you lift up the liver, you can find the stomach. That's the stomach. Right below the stomach, the tongue-like, that kind of looks like the liver, is the spleen. And that, which to me looks like chewed up gum, is the pancreas. Pancreas. Then we have the small intestine leading out from the stomach. And okay, we're cutting the large intestine off so that we can find the kidneys on the back wall. So there's one kidney. And there's the other kidney. If you get too much fluid, you can unpin your rat, and so here, show her, there's one kidney, there's the left kidney, and there's the right kidney. I don't know what any of that is. Oh, so here, the kidney, and then we have the ureter that goes from the kidney. Yeah, sorry. And it goes down to the bladder. And there's a ureter from each kidney, if you can find them. So here's the male genitals. We have the penis. And we've got the seminal vesicles. And then the prostate glands. There's two of them. They are those two. Okay, now we're cleaning up. Take the pins out, set them on a paper towel because you're going to rinse them off in a minute. Pick out all your instrumentation. Carry the rat to the side table. Put him in a Ziploc bag with a lot of other ones. Oh yeah, over and drain him out a little bit more. Then put your rat and its innards in the Ziploc. The whole class, well, as many as you can, you will fit into that same Ziploc. Zip it up. Put it in the bucket, carry your tray over, rinse it out. Get a little bit of soap. And take your equipment, wash it off. Pry off your tools and put them back in the correct bin.